Hi, Tom here. In this week's Circle Line Art School drawing, I will show you one way to draw a room using one-point perspective. The first step is to draw a horizontal line across the middle of your page. Next, draw a single vanishing point in the middle of this horizon line. All receding lines in this drawing will go towards this single vanishing point in one-point perspective. Next, draw 4 diagonal lines from the corners of your drawing to your central single vanishing point. Now we can draw a baseline, a horizontal baseline for the base of the back wall of the room. Next, we can draw 2 vertical lines, each end of this baseline, to the 2 diagonal perspective lines towards the top of the drawing. And then draw one more horizontal line. So now we have the basic shape of a simple room in one-point perspective. All of the receding lines are going to the central vanishing point. All the vertical lines are still vertical, and all of the horizontal lines are still horizontal and parallel to each other. Next, we can draw 2 vertical lines either side of the vanishing point on the back wall of this simple room in one-point perspective. Between these 2 new vertical lines, we can draw 4 more diagonal guidelines to our central vanishing point. And then we can draw another back wall between these diagonal lines. And this will create a corridor in the distance. So we have a room in the foreground, and then in the center of the back wall of the room, we have a corridor going to the distance. Next, we can add some details onto the original back wall. Draw 2 sets of horizontal lines for the shape of windows. Now, these will just be rectangles because they are not receding from us. They're not going away from us or coming towards us. We're looking straight on at them. So they just stay rectangles. We're looking straight on at them. Next, we can use our central vanishing point again to draw 4 receding lines from these 2 new rectangles either side of the corridor in the center of our drawing. As these windows recede away from us, we use the vanishing point to guide our lines. Now draw some lines to the left, coming towards us, the viewer of this room. We can use our single vanishing point as a guide for these lines. Then we can repeat this with 2 more lines to the right. Next, draw 2 vertical lines to create a simple door on the left-hand side of the room. Now it's time to add some details to our drawing. If you'd like to learn more about drawing buildings in perspective, please visit my website, circlelineartschool.com, where you will find details of my online drawing courses for beginners. Join over 2,000 students who have successfully completed my online drawing courses and see real results in your ability to draw from scratch. I will also post details of new drawing courses as they become available. I post a new drawing every week on my channel. This is drawing 359. If you'd like to keep up to date with the videos that I create for my YouTube channel, Circle Line Art School, please click the subscribe button and click for notifications. And then you'll be able to keep up to date with all of the drawing content that I create on my channel. I hope you found this drawing useful for your own drawings. That's the point of me making it. If you have any ideas of drawings that you'd like to see in the future, please just leave them in the comments. I read all of the comments and thank you very much for your support. Thanks so much for watching and hope to see you next time. If you'd like to learn more about Circle Line Art School, just visit my website, circlelineartschool.com. Thanks again for watching and see you next time.